So guys, I have here with me Mr. Rajagopal Srinivasan, who has attended the content writing training program with us. And I understand that Rajagopal is currently into technical writing, working with an MNC, full-time writing. And he tells me that he is drawing about 25 lakh rupees per annum doing technical writing, which means in the last 4 years, approximately 60 lakh rupees earned by producing content. So congrats, Mr. Rajagopal. That's an achievement, I will say. I know the kind of hard work that's involved in reaching the current stage. I know the dedication and the effort that you would have put into reach here. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
And I also understand that before you got into content writing, you are not into this industry. So would you want to share with us what were you doing earlier before getting into content writing?
Earlier to content writing, I was initially, after my college days, I started working for solar power products, renewable energy installations, wherein I'll be paid like a very small amount every day. Then I started learning computer hardware and I went into managing servers.
Okay.
Then that was the time I was reading about J.K. Rowling and I wanted to write short stories. Then I had no idea how to write stories or novels. Then I saw your advertisement in Times of India paper. And I thought, okay, content writing, short stories would also be there. After attending the session, free session, I even not attending the actual session, free session itself, I came to know that there are nearly 30 different types of writing.
Correct.
So I was really astonished. And the way the session, the free session was also put in, was so informative. I immediately wanted to attend the session and take away all the good things of it.
Okay.
Then I joined the session in 1 or 2 weeks and I learned this writing content. And still again, what was in my mind was to write stories and make money.
Right.
But I had lot of, since I was taking care of servers, I had lot of leisure time. So what I was doing is I was writing instructions for other people who will come in shifts to take care of the servers.
Okay.
So what happened is I wrote the instructions and I applied all the knowledge I had got from the session, from the content writing session. So how to use tools like Grammarly, write it without mistakes, and how to put it in a proper ethical way so that others will easily understand how to write it step by step.
Right.
Like ETVX, there is one technique called ETVX, entry
Correct.
task verification and exit.
Right.
So all this I had applied in my content.
Okay.
So this content I had written, instruction I had written, somehow went to my general manager. So he reviewed it and said, "Oh, you should not be there. Come to a different position. There is a different position in our company. Why don't you join there?" Okay, and this position was to write the process for the organization.
Okay.
I have to interview what the resources of the organizations are doing, and then I have to write it as a process and keep it so that ISO certification can be done for the organization.
Okay.
Then I started articulating, I started writing down all the instructions that the organization resources were doing step by step. I was writing SOP manuals, standard operating procedures and technical documents.
Okay.
So suddenly my profile was in a blue collar job, it became a white collar job. And my salary was n-fold increase.
Okay.
I can even reveal my package. What I was earlier earning was only 3 lakh CTC per annum.
Okay.
Suddenly, I was made into 12 to 15 lakhs CTC per annum.
Wonderful. Okay. Okay.
And then what happened is I started learning the processes that is being applied in the organization. And due to this, I was one among the people who know all the processes of the organization step by step. So they made me as an auditor.
Right.
I was writing the process. Suddenly, I became an auditor.
Wow.
So now this is a double promotion within a year.
That's a huge achievement, I would say.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, I prior to I attended this session in 2015 in Chennai, content writing. October, I guess. And prior to October, I was managing servers. Then another 6 months went on. I was practicing every day how to write content. I was writing short stories. I was writing all sorts of content that you had taught us.
Right.
Okay? And by May or June 2016, to be very precise, I guess May. Yeah. This also May, yeah.
Mm.
Exactly 4 years now. Yes, 2016 is 4 years now. So I got into a different profile altogether. And within the 2016 year end, I became an auditor for the organization. I was a qualified internal auditor for the organization.
Awesome. Yeah.
And from then on, what happened is 1 year down the line, they made me as an ISO certified auditor. Several ISO standards, because I learned all the process. So I could map it with the ISO standards.
Right.
So they made me an ISO standard auditor. I was
Excellent.
one of the internal guy who takes care of ISO audit. And once the process got matured enough, we used to go to several meetings or forum meetings wherein similar kind of companies used to come. Our company is into automobile, multimedia kind of activities we used to do.
Okay.
Similar kind of companies used to come there. So my boss introduced me to them and said, our boy can write processes for you. He can even audit for you. And this became an income for the organization. I used, on behalf of my organization, I used to go to other companies, I used to audit them, and then that income would come to the organization.
Right.
From being a liability to the organization, I became the asset for the organization.
Correct.
That is the reason why my growth started growing n-folds, leaps and bounds. From being a service manager, IT service manager, to an auditor. That was an ISO auditor for other organizations.
Right.
Becoming a process consultant.
Right. Right.
My CTC went up in the organization, and from a junior executive, I became, now I'm a senior manager in the organization.
Wonderful. Congratulations. Yeah, congrats. Wonderful.
So my current CTC is around 24 lakhs per annum.
Wonderful.
My current goal, I'm planning to achieve probably next year. Even in this current situation, there is no threat to this. Absolutely no threat, because all organizations need to get certified. That is mandatory.
Correct.
Without quality, product cannot go out.
Correct.
So certifications audit is going to be there forever.
Yeah.
And then, so when I go on audit, naturally income is going to come to the company.
Correct.
And the company is willing to pay me. So there is no threat to the position at all, completely.
Correct.
And all this started from just being content writing. Once I started writing content, all this started coming into mind.
So do you still work on writing the SOPs now?
Of course.
Okay.
Every day in, day out, I write SOPs. I refine it. Keeping up to day-to-day activities, I refine it. And then I even review for other organizations.
Okay.
They will write internally, very, very crude way of writing they would have done. So I have to rewrite it and map it with the ISO standards.
Okay.
Even for international organizations, we do this support.
Wonderful. Now, before joining our content writing course, were you aware of these opportunities in the content writing industry?
No, sir. Absolutely no. I was not even aware of that. Something called content writing is there.
Okay.
All that will come to my mind when I thought of writing is letter writing.
Okay.
An organization used to write what is the mode of communication? They'll write letters. Internally, externally. Internal email communication will be there. Outside the organization, they will write, probably maybe they can prepare invoices.
Right.
That is what came to my mind when I thought of content writing. But even during attending this free intro session, there were so many kinds of writing: blog writing, article writing, technical writing, advertisements. There were so many things.
So you attended the intro session and then you enroll in the course, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Same day I enrolled into the course.
Okay.
Next week, the course started actually.
Yeah. So what were your thoughts when you attended that free introductory session, the free seminar?
Actually, I had attended several free seminars, several other trainings, even for Solar, for server management. So everything would be like, they will only teach the basics, or they will beat around the bush.
Right.
They will not talk about the content directly. Okay? You have to put in all your efforts to learn. But your session was like, it was even for a layman would understand it very easily. There was no beating around the bush. Everything was straight up to the point. Point by point, step by step you were teaching. Even you didn't differentiate it between a free session and a paid session. The free session was also so informative that immediately what came to my mind was I should join this session. I should make myself
Okay.
professional.
Okay.
And I wanted to compare your session with a jackfruit. A
Okay.
jackfruit is full of thorns. Okay, whenever your content writing or anything technical would look like something with thorns for a layman.
Okay.
Okay, but you had taken all the pain to remove these thorns. I understand how much it would have pained you, to hurt you when removing all these thorns, and you had taken the sweetest fruit out of it and given to us in the name of training. Whatever
Okay.
we had paid is just peanuts, it's nothing. Okay, but the effort you had invested in it, and yet the fruit is so sweet, and you had given your personal experiences to it, and that would be like putting the jackfruit, dipping it in honey and giving it to someone.
Okay. Okay.
So sweet.
Okay. Thanks for the feedback.
Thank you.
And so, what made you decide to join the course? I know you attended the free seminar. You found it interesting. Why did you decide to enroll? What made you make the decision?
Actually, I wanted to write again stories. So I went through this free seminar. I came to know that so many types of writing is there. But still, what was in behind my mind was to write stories. I was actually impressed by J.K. Rowling. I wanted to make millions like her. I wanted to write stories. When I was writing into this process instructions, I felt stories, I have to think a lot, write stories, but this is something that is real. It is happening in the real world. Someone has to write that. Okay,
Right.
instead of fantasizing something, you can help real people who are struggling to write instructions. The main core aim of writing a process is to remove the human dependency. Whoever is there, I would like to give an example. Like if you are going to a branded company, let us not take any brand name, branded company. Okay, for example, a hotel which has multiple branches. Wherever you go, each of them has the same taste. How it is made possible? Because of the trainings and the processes. Okay, someone has to write it, someone has to teach it, and they are going to follow a process. Because of this, any hotel, any branch of that hotel you go, it's all similar.
Right.
They build the brand based on that.
Process, all systems and processes.
Yes, everything is, the human dependency is removed there.
And the foundation is the SOPs that the technical writers write. Someone like you writes the technical manuals.
Yes. Technical content, training content, everything is a content. Whatever you have to write is a content. So that has to be, someone has to create.
Correct. So, was it a conscious decision to choose technical writing? I know your content writing is a huge, it's like an ocean, right? There are many different types of content, and you chose to get into technical writing. Was there any conscious decision to choose this field in content writing? How did that happen? I know you already shared, but then.
Yeah, two things, sir. Actually, one thing, it came up very easily for me. Instead of writing stories, blogs, this came very easily for me. So I started writing it. So it was very easy also. Second thing, that was the job I was actually into. Okay?
Right.
So that made me the package that was given for that.
Yes.
Okay? So that was very lucrative. I was
and of course, your previous experience in the technical field also helped you to get into this technical writing fast. So your previous experience helped you to get into this, probably. Yeah.
Yes.
So during the program, once you attended the program and program is over, you got into writing, technical writing. You practiced for a couple of months, and your organization offered you the opportunity to shift your profile into technical writing department.
Yes.
What are the three things, if you were to mention three things that you might have learned from the course you attended with me? What are the three things you would want to mention, if you remember, which helped you quickly to get into this technical writing?
There were several things, sir. One is your approach. How to take a work step by step and work on it very dedicatively. That was all what you had taught us during the training. Earlier to that, I was taking things just like that. I was moving around here and there. Okay, and there was no structured way of approaching a thing and taking out creating a solution to a problem. So all that you had taught in this session, how to approach a work, how to write it step by step, how to uh, what to say, um, how to break down it into smaller chunks of work and
Right,
approach. So
right,
all this
right.
you had taught us during the session that
Mm.
helped me. That was under the dedicated hard work.
Right.
I was working like there is no tomorrow.
Okay.
Today is the end of life. So tomorrow is not there. Whatever hard work I can do today, I will invest on it today so that it will reap up tomorrow.
Right,
So
right.
all these help.
Okay, wonderful. Yeah. And would you be able to share some details about the kind of assignments you might have recently completed? What kind of
Yes,
content? How did you go about doing? Maybe you can take an example which might help other people who want to get into content, the technical writing, content writing.
of course, sir. So the recent assignment I did was for ISO 9001 certification for an organization, which I went in and audited. I found that it was in very crude terms. Okay, there was no process available there. So I started writing the processes by interviewing the people,
Okay.
and it is not so difficult actually. Just you have to interview the people, bring down all those points, and then start mapping it with the ISO standards. Okay, once you
Right.
have mapped with the ISO standards and you have all the content available, you can call up an auditor and show them, boss, all these are the processes that I am doing sequentially, and I have given training to these people.
Okay.
Based on that, you can proceed with the audit. So it is so easier. It's not so
Mm.
difficult to write a content also.
Mm.
This was the latest assignment I had been doing,
Right.
and I cannot reveal the because
I know.
I'm working for another
Correct.
organization.
Correct.
We
I
cannot
can understand.
reveal.
Not an issue. Yeah.
It is several lakhs.
Correct. Wonderful. And you see, often after people attend the program, also sometimes even before, people keep telling me that when they sit to write, they do not know where to start. They are stuck at that point of starting. So, is there any suggestion or what would you advise? How should someone go about getting into this industry as a content writer?
Okay. So if you are stuck, take some few minutes out, 10 or 15 minutes, keep your mind clear, and then maybe you can, if you start again, maybe you will be able to do. Initially, failures will happen. No
Correct.
doubt about it. Everyone would fail. Failure is
Correct.
your stepping stone. Just
Correct.
start learning from it.
Correct.
Start writing whatever that comes in your mind. First,
Yeah.
don't worry about what you're, even if it is a scribbling, don't worry about it. Write it.
Yeah.
After some time, again go through it, refine it. Refining, the process of refining will get you a better content.
Correct. Correct.
And I will advise follow all the steps Bhaskar sir is giving.
Okay.
He has already put in his mind, he has invested, so he had done all the research, and he is giving you steps.
Okay.
Whatever steps he is giving, just blindly follow. Okay? You will be able to do it.
Thanks a lot.
I give you assurance.
Okay. Okay. So I understand now you're actually into full-time job working for an MNC and involved in technical writing, auditing, ISO certification, etc.
Yes, sir.
Many people who get into content writing also become freelancers. So
Of course.
do you have plans to get into other kinds of writing? Just curious to know. That's it.
Of course, sir. I do have. I wanted to write for user manuals for organizations. See, whenever there is a new product that gets launched, okay, there is always a manual that is being sent along with that, which is again some technical content, some technical writing involved there. Okay, so if we start writing for those technical content, that is available as a freelancer. Freelance jobs are available for that.
Obviously.
When you start writing manuals for that, for new product launches, there is no threat for your job.
Right.
Never it's going to happen, because new products are going to get launched every now and then. It is always available. This job will be always available. And whether there is a lockdown, there is no lockdown, recession, whatever it is, some or the other products is going to get launched.
Correct.
For example, if now the PPE products are getting launched, every PPE product has a small instruction manual. It should be 1 page, 2 page, never mind.
Right.
It's
Right.
again technical writing, it is content writing. So
Correct.
job is always there.
Someone has to
Whatever
write
is
that
your job.
1 page also. Someone has to write that. So
Yes.
what you're saying is the demand for technical writers will continue forever.
Will continue forever, and it would be more of freelance also.
Right.
Because for this 1 page writing, they will not hire a full-time employee.
Correct. Correct.
Okay? Always it's going to be freelance. So don't bother about it. You will always get a job. Only thing you have to put in is hard work, dedication, sincere to your job. You have to be sincere to what you are doing. Okay? You cannot do something and then think that someone is going to pay for you. You have to be convinced on what you are writing.
Right.
Only then someone else will get convinced and they will pay for it.
Correct. Yeah. So what one suggestion would you want to give to people who are currently undergoing the same course with us, content writing course with us?
Put your full minds into it. Okay? Don't waste your time. Just once you are reading something, start applying it immediately.
Application.
Don't wait for application. Don't
Taking
wait
action.
for an auspicious day and then start implementing it. Immediately implement it. Okay? While undergoing the course, whatever sir says during the video session or the web seminars, start implementing it immediately. You may go wrong once or twice. Never mind.
Okay.
Go for guidance. Check with sir's help. Okay. Or even someone else will be able to help you out immediately. Take help from, maybe form a group among yourselves.
Correct.
Okay? Learn among yourselves.
Correct.
Definitely you're going to succeed. No one is going to fail. I can give my word. When you try hard, when you start working on it, applying your mind without wasting time, you will succeed. There is no failure.
That is true. Yeah. And what would be your recommendation to anyone who is yet to decide to enroll with the content writing course with us?
Stop thinking. Just invest. See, whatever you are going to invest is just like peanuts.
Right.
Okay? Right. Once you start earning, you will understand the fact. See, whatever I had invested during the session and whatever I'm earning right now, can't even, it is in fractions, not even fractions. If I say what I'm earning is 1 rupee, I would have not even invested 1 pice for this training.
Right.
I had attended. Right. And my current profile is completely different. I would say I have closed all my loans. Okay.
Oh, okay.
3 years I have closed all my loans.
Very good to know that.
So, don't think. Stop thinking. Just act. Just invest. Don't you can see, cut down a cup of coffee a day. Okay, 2 cups of coffee you're having, just cut it down. Invest it on, for 1 year you cut down your coffee, invest it on the training.
Right.
Okay? You will see the benefit out of it.
Right. So any final words you want to share with the viewers? Obviously, I'll be putting up this video online. I plan to share with our participants who attended our seminars, workshops, programs, webinars, all of that. What might be your final
Dedication, number 1, dedication, hard work, willingness to take risk.
Okay.
When you will take risk, once you're out of your commitments, and out of your commitments will come when you put your hard work and start earning. Correct. Your commitments will go off. You would have enough package so that you can fully take risk. Take risk in life. Okay, calculated risk, and that will take you to some other level.
Right.
Okay? You will become a leader for your field. Okay?
Correct.
Keep that in mind and start working like this is the time to work and hard earn money. Okay, so that you can have a secured future. Don't wait for some other day or someone to earn for you and keep you happy. For you have to work hard. You have to earn. Okay, so don't think. Stop thinking. Put it into action. Work hard. Earn more and live happy.
So taking action, implementing is the most important thing that you're saying.
Of course, sir.
Yeah.
That's also what you had taught us.
Yeah. Thanks a lot. So it's been a wonderful experience, Rajgopal, interacting with you. Thank you very much for your time, for accepting my request for this interview. And I know you will actually quickly start growing in the organization, right?
Yes.
I know all the effort that you have put in, the hard work, dedication that you are mentioning, and it's clear evidence, it's proof that someone who puts in the effort and who is committed to what he's doing ultimately will reap the benefits, right?
Yeah.
So wonderful. Out of the entire ocean of content writing, you chose to be